So many of you have been asking me where to stay in Bangkok, and if you want to stay near BTS, Novotel Bangkok is a good choice for you to stay because they are just beside the BTS. So all you have to do is just to walk down 2 minutes and you will reach the hotel. Sawadee-ka. Thank you. Okay, so for Love Club account members, do remember to flash your membership because for Gold Card members, you actually get a room upgrade when you flash your membership. At Novotel Ploenchit, they have 370 guest rooms and we are now at the basic room called Superior Room. And this room is at 28 square meters, and as you can see, they have the Novotel signature contemporary design in every room, and it's actually quite standard among all Novotel hotels. There's an automated blind which goes down. So if you are bathing and you are worried or you are shy, no worries. You'll be covered and it's controlled from the inside.
We know that all of you love rain shower, and over here, it is available in all room types.
You get to choose from 6 different types of pillow, and if you don't like pillows such as these, the soft type, you can even choose pillows such as the contour pillows or even buckwheat pillows. Similar to the Superior Room, the Deluxe Room is at 28 square meters, but they are located on a high floor, therefore giving you a terrific city view. And other than that, you get executive bathroom and amenities as well. In the Premium Rooms, you get rooms on the higher floor, and you also get to enjoy things like the mini coffee machine where you can make your own coffee. Of course, other than that, you get to enjoy premium benefits and also go up to the Premier Lounge to enjoy all-day refreshments or happy hour from 5 to 7 p.m. So I'm now at the Junior Suite, which is a corner room of 41 square meters. And in this room, you get to enjoy a bathtub, premier benefits, and also lounge access. I'm now at the 1-bedroom suite, which features a large living room as well as a large bedroom. And over here, you get stunning views of Ploenchit area to enjoy the city views. Hi, Sawadee-ka. Thank you. Thank you. For Premier Benefit members, you can enjoy the Executive Lounge on the 29th floor for all-day refreshments or happy hours from 5 to 7 p.m, whereby you can enjoy things like free-flow wine, beer and cocktails. For those who want to keep fit after eating all the delicious food in Bangkok, do remember to head out to level 9 because you can find a swimming pool, which is an infinity pool, and also a gym whereby they feature a personal trainer to train you on your exercise needs. So after you are done with your swim and gym, do remember to check out their changing room because there's a very interesting chair for you to rest on while waiting for your sauna turn. The Square restaurant serves breakfast, lunch and dinner, and this 170-seater restaurant offers a floor-to-ceiling view of Ploenchit, so you get to enjoy a beautiful view while you enjoy your food. And this Square restaurant is popular for their buffet. So although Novotel Bangkok is famous for their lunch buffet, I know that many of you don't want to eat buffet during lunch. So do check out Madam Som Tam restaurant at Mahatun Plaza, which serves really good Isan food. Since Novotel Bangkok is so near the shopping area, let me share with you where you can go from this hotel. If you walk towards your left, you can go to a nearby 7-Eleven, and then if you move on to the Skywalk, you can go to places like Central Embassy, Central Chitlom, and then moving on to the Wachaprasong Skywalk, it leads you to Everyone Shrine, Gaeson Plaza, Platinum Mall, Big C, or even Central World. I'm currently at the Lounge and Beer Garden. They offer happy hour drinks, so you get beers from 150 baht, which means that a glass just costs you 70 baht. And then for the food, you get things like fried chicken wing, the Siam Thai platter, and also sashimi. So all these are just from 150 baht, so it makes a very affordable evening for you to just chill out over some good Thai food and of course some beer while enjoying the live band. Cheers! Good morning. So breakfast at Novotel Bangkok starts from 6 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. But if you want to avoid the crowd, do come early, maybe from 6 a.m. to like 8, because usually from 8 onwards it's crowded. It's so-called their peak period. If you need to meet your friends or have some business meeting, you can check out Novotel Bangkok lobby, whereby they have a co-working table where you can plug into your electricity and also have a nice discussion over here. Wow, what a beautiful view behind me. So I just wake up in the morning and I had a very good night's sleep. Although this hotel is not a brand new hotel, but in fact it's very well kept. The amenities are very good, the beds are so comfortable, and most importantly the food are delicious as well. And why would I recommend you to stay here? Ploenchit is so near to places that you always frequent: Siam, Phuompong, Thong Lo, Asok. All these places are within few stations away from Ploenchit, so you can easily access all these places very conveniently. So the next time you are looking for somewhere to stay near BTS, make sure you check out this hotel.